Hey champions and superstars, my name is Eugene Chan from Freedom Profits and welcome to today's presentation. My apologies as I haven't rolled out any new videos for the past 3 months or so because I've been busy with other projects and also helping my clients grow their Amazon e-commerce businesses. I'll try to bring out more videos in the future, or those videos about tips and tricks to help increase your Amazon sales and profits. So thanks for being patient with me. Now onto today's main topic. Today's presentation is about the 5 creative promotion ideas you guys Amazon sellers can implement to generate more sales for Black Friday and also Cyber Monday. Now get your pen and paper ready to take notes, and should you miss any important information, you can always refer back. Been thinking too much about Black Friday. So refer back to this presentation. So awesome, let's get this party started. So what will you learn today? Now you learned about these 5 creative promotion ideas Amazon sellers can implement to generate more sales and profits for Black Friday and also Cyber Monday. And for those of you who don't know what this Black Friday or Cyber Monday is, let me quickly explain it in a nerdy way. So Black Friday applied to the day after Thanksgiving, which falls on the 22nd of November, which is on a Thursday this year. And in a shopping context suggests that the term originated in Philadelphia, where it is used to describe the heavy and disruptive pedestrian and vehicle traffic that would occur on the day after Thanksgiving. And more than 20 years later, the phrase became more widespread, and the popular explanation became that this day represented the point of the year where retailers begin to turn profit, thus going from being in the red to being in the black. So hence the name Black Friday. And Black Friday is an annual shopping extravaganza where both shoppers and sellers celebrate wins. And we all know that Black Friday falls on the 23rd of November and Cyber Monday deals on the following Monday. But also, be on the lookout for any money-saving deals, throughout the rest of the year. Now, Amazon is already running its early Black Friday deals with new lightning deals being offered every day. So you can check out the website for more ideas and to see which products are already on sale on Amazon. So, while Black Friday and Cyber Monday, let's just call it BFCM, just to make things easier. So BFCM unlocks more opportunities and sales for e-commerce businesses. It also creates more competition and makes it more difficult to reach new customers. Promotion emails will flood the inboxes of your subscribers list at the same time. And advertising costs on Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc., even Pinterest will spike during this sales period. Products are heavily discounted just to compete for sales and profits. Sellers really need to stand out during BFCM from all this noise with more creative promotions to achieve business goals without getting drowned out by your competition. So I'll give you, I'll suggest these 5 creative marketing ideas for your Amazon e-commerce businesses. So be sure to take notes. So the first one is freebie. Who doesn't like this little kid, free stuff and I'm on my way. So who doesn't love freebies? I'm pretty sure most of you out there enjoy receiving free gifts when you make purchases. Why? Because your brain will automatically justify each purchase you make, and a free gift will help make that purchase more worthwhile. Now, some sellers who want to maintain your luxury appeal can still take advantage of Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale without slashing your prices too much. You guys can offer a freebie with a purchase to your customers. You can also consider offering freebies that have high value or really limited edition items when customers spend a minimum amount at your store. So offering freebies during Black Friday and or Cyber Monday, or even during non-promotional periods, will help drive customers to come back for more. Customers also react favorably when they receive freebies, and more prone to give you a positive review on Amazon as well. And aside from that, customers are more likely to share their purchases and also their experiences on social media channels when they receive a free gift. And the second one is to initiate a referral program. Yep, just like Chuck Norris would say, thumbs up. So would you trust your best friend's opinion on the leather jacket you'll be wanting to buy, or daily multivitamins that you've been looking at? Most people are more likely to consider a friend's suggestions compared to a random person down the street. So recommendations or referrals are the most trusted form of advertising, and the majority of people heavily rely on someone else's opinions in deciding what to buy. That's why people read reviews on product reviews on Amazon, and even sellers reviews on Amazon or anywhere else before they make a purchase. Even you and myself as well. And also, for instance, Facebook's recommendation post is a great tool for users to seek recommendations from friends. You probably see one of your friends asking for recommendations when they visit a certain country, or they can probably even ask recommendations or the red lipstick that they want to buy. And sellers can create a Facebook post offering an exclusive 20% discount coupon to both the referrer and the friend. So I want you to keep in mind that it's important to create single-use coupons only to avoid the same code from being overused again and again, causing you some serious loss here. And another pro tip is you can provide the Godfather offer to make the referral an irresistible offer. For instance, Black Friday special or Cyber Monday special. Give your friends 50% off their first supplements purchase, and get another 50% off for yourself as well. So this is how the referral program works, and it will definitely help drive sales for your Amazon business. And the promotion tip number 3 is to join forces with influencers. So partnering up with influencers to promote your products is an effective way to leverage their effort to reach new audiences and build brand awareness. So for those of you who don't know what influencer marketing is, it's a type of marketing when a brand collaborates with an influential person on social media channels to promote a product or promote their services. So these days you can see brands flocking to influencers to promote their products and services to dedicated and also engaged audience. To find a suitable influencers to join forces for Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, and check with those that you have had success with in the past, and also choose your top performing influencers to promote your sale. And for those of you who haven't done this yet, haven't partnered up with influencers, there's a couple websites that you can check out. For instance, famebit.com, so FAMEBIT. So on there you can check out, you can filter by influencers, which countries you're from, which countries audiences are from, and then you can decide and choose influencers based on your product. Who do you want to promote it to? Who is more suitable for your product? So you can start off with that as well. And the tip number 4 is to upsell and cross-sell with discounts and also discount codes. So one of the greatest ways to sell more to a current customer who's already buying from you is upsell and cross-sell complementary products. Amazon does this really well with the frequently bought together section in the product listing page, as shown in this screenshot right here. People will buy dog waste bags with, and also together they will buy a pet training and also puppy pads as well. And what do you need when you have a new pet little puppy? You need a stainless steel dog bowl as well. So Amazon is really good at this, and to upsell and also cross-sell, customers with products and give them additional discounts. Although there is no option, for sellers to preset the frequently bought together products, sellers can really offer product bundling to customers as well. Bundling, your complementary products together can help customers save time and effort. Also, it is generally cheaper for customers to purchase bundled products rather than buying them separately. As for sellers, you generally have a higher profit margin when you focus on average order value. Many brands are using the buy more and save more promotional model, and here's a comparison table for a better understanding. So say for example you give 25% off all products and compare that with buy two and get 35% off. So the average order value for 25% off, average order value $50, your cost price is $20, and after the discounted price is $37.50, and you are off with a profit of $17.50. As for the buy two and get 35% off, and the average order value is $100 and the cost price is $40 because times it by two, and discounted price is $65, and you're off with the profit of $25. So you sell more and you'll be able to give out more discount as well. It's generally more attractive, and I would highly suggest going down this route with buying two and get 35% off. It's generally more attractive and you get a higher profit margin as well. Another way to upsell and cross-sell your products is offer a mystery bundle with multiple of your best products, and also offering a significant discount for those who are willing to buy it. Now, one good example is Bug Box, a monthly surprise of dog toys, dog treats, and also goodies, for your good boy at home. So, use this as an example and run your own upsell and cross-sell promotions on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And the last one is to donate to a cause. This is another great way to generate sales and profits while making an impact, to donate part of your profits to a specific cause that you and also your audience can relate to. For example, there's breast cancer foundation. There's also, you can donate to pencil promises, help kids build schools, depending on what products you're selling. So I'll leave that to you to figure it out. Amazon also has a separate website called Amazon Smile. So when you shop at Amazon Smile, the Amazon Smile Foundation will donate, if I'm not mistaken, 0.5% of the purchase price of eligible products to the charitable organization of your choice. So you can use that as well. So the global movement of towards charitable giving has also taken off so much that it has its own day of celebration known as #GivingTuesday. So it is a global day of giving fueled by the power of social media and also collaboration. Be sure to use this hashtag, #GivingTuesday when you run promotions. Also, think of other ways you can post it on social media as well when you're running your Black Friday sale, and state that you would donate a part of the proceeds to a foundation or a cause. So this way you would generate more, pretty much generate more sales, and also while you're making a profit, you're making an impact at the same time. All right, now that you've learned these 5 ways to help run your Black Friday Cyber Monday promotion, I'm sure by now you have a couple ideas on how to promote your products for more profitable Black Friday Cyber Monday deals. So be sure to choose and apply all these strategies to enhance your marketing campaigns and see a smarter difference in your business growth. And of course, to further boost your promotions, you can email blast your email and also your messenger list ahead of time to avoid any of the influx of emails, and build early anticipation at the same time. Be sure to use a catchy subject line. Also, keep in mind to have great copywriting to increase open and conversion rates. Your social media posts as well should vary before, during, and even after Black Friday, Cyber Monday to boost more sales. And also, one of the tip you can do is to announce your Black Friday Cyber Monday promotions through the header bar on your website as well, if you have a website, on your Facebook page, on your YouTube channel art, etc., to grab customers' attention. And if you have any other creative promotion ideas, do share with me or everyone else in the comment box below. We would love to hear about them. So before I end, I'm gonna leave this classic quote for you. Just do it. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Just do it. Nothing is impossible. And thank you very much for watching my presentation up to this point. I hope you really enjoyed this presentation as much as I did creating this for you all. And a quick question: how did you go? I hope you gain lots of insights and hope you also take down any notes to help you get started. Just comment win below if you're feeling excited to implement this strategy. There's 5 creative promotion ideas to help you generate more sales for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Thank you and best of success on upcoming Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. Thanks.